Of course, to our Congressman Eric Yap, who sacrifices time to be with us today with this Strawberry Festival 2026. To our guest speaker, Senator Larwin Tulfo. Of course, to the Municipal Mayor of La Trinidad, we have Mayor Roderick Awingan, the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Attorney Gideon Garwan, and every Sangguniang Bayan members. Of course, to the previous officials have been mentioned by Mayor Awingan a while ago, awan no awan kayo kathan nga kastoy nga kapintas nila Trinidad. Palakpakan kayo na dito previous officials nila Trinidad. Of course, all of the national agencies, amin-amin of course the schools, DepEd and CHED, amin-amin tayo. Of course, may co-provincial officials at na dito yung full force na dito yung may ang pamuno nagtutulak na to show support to this 2026 Strawberry Festival. Of course, we have the visitors from international, we have the Guam Party, and of course from Guagua, Pampanga, local sister towns, and of course the international sister towns. Thank you very much for attending also this activity. First is to congratulate, of course, the people of La Trinidad for this Strawberry Festival 2026. Of course, this is to promote and strengthen our culture, our tourism, and of course economy, as mentioned by Mayor Awingan a while ago. But it's not only that. It is also to strengthen our relationship as brothers and sisters in the municipality of La Trinidad. We need to strengthen also our relationship with our sister town, in international and local. With this strengthening of our relationship, at titinulong tayo tapaminpintas tayo ng kumati, munisipyo kan probinsya tayo mapinkin. Secondly is to congratulate our municipal officials from the municipal to the barangays. Nakita tayo nga napintas ni Raramilindan na maniman-manihar di munisipyo ti La Trinidad. To maintain La Trinidad as united and healthier La Trinidad, progressive in a peaceful community. So palakpakan tayo na ito yung opisyalis ni La Trinidad. Mapakso, palakpak. Thank you very much to the municipality of La Trinidad. And lastly, I would like to share some programs of the national and the provincial government to align with the municipalities' programs. Of course, our congressman is funding our schools, almost 36 schools in the province. So salamat ako, congressman. And of course, including the university, the College of Medicine and the PSU. So salamat ako. For our provincial, our Benguet General Hospital, so we are expanding our building. So we're on the way of construction of 150 million building as expansion building to be called as the Cancer Center for Benguet General Hospital. Others, we're also constructing dialysis center in every district hospitals. We have 5 district hospitals, and on the way we have already 2 district hospitals with dialysis centers. So dahito yapo, tinayat tayo nga maramidin yung probinsya at yung Benguet, yasinag, naging servisyo na pang-pisikal, ano pa natin mga health services, amin nga munisipyo, awan kumati, mabati. So that's all, and congratulations to the municipality of La Trinidad. Happy 2026 Strawberry Festival. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Governor Dr. De Blas. Please, sir, stay first and front. Thank you once again for your unwavering and continuous support, sir. At this juncture, may we